Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve file system with error code -2147219-200 in Windows 10 computer. So this error occurs include corrupt system files, hardware problems, software bugs, program crashes, and improper shutdown. And then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type troubleshoot settings. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, and then on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here at additional troubleshooters, in here at left side navigation pane, and then underneath here at get up and running, and then you need now to select this Windows Update. So all you have to do is to click, and then you can see this run the troubleshooters and then click, and then pop up this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializing and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed, and then problems found, service registration is missing or corrupt. Then you can see now it's already fixed with the green check mark. And the next step, then you can view detailed information about these issues. And then if there is another more error, then you need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error. And then you need to tap or click this next settings here. Alright, so after here at Windows Update Troubleshootings, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do, if the error still persists, then we need to do to run the Microsoft Store Apps Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu. And then you need to type here this troubleshoot settings. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up again here at troubleshoot settings, and then on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here at additional troubleshooters at here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to scroll down, and then underneath here at find and fix other problems, then you need to find and locate this Windows Store Apps. Alright, so all you have to do is to click this Windows Store Apps, and then you can see now this run the troubleshooters and then click. So here we need to wait to complete the detecting problems and initializing and diagnostic process. And then after that, then you can see now this reset an app. So you can reset apps that aren't working right from apps and features. So all you have to do is to follow again the screen instructions to fix these errors. So you can also open or click this open apps and features. And then you need to tap or click this next and then follow only the instruction here. Alright, so after here at additional troubleshooters, Windows Store Apps, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to update the device driver. So all you have to do is to click or right click on a start menu. And then you need to select this device manager. And then once you open up here at device manager, and then next step, then you need to select those device drivers to update. So for example, we need to select this display adapters and then click this arrow to expand. And then we need to update this Intel graphics card. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then you can see now this update drivers. So all you have to do is to tap or click. And updating drivers, so we have two options like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. And then you need now to select this search automatically for drivers and then click. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. Alright, so after again here at device manager, and then we need to close. If the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run a malware scan. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here we need to type this Windows Security. And then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows Security, then you need to select or tap this virus and threat protections and then click. And then once you open up, and here at virus and threat protections, then you can see now this scan options and then click. So here now at scan options. So either quick scan or full scan. So you need to select one of this. And then after here, then we need to close and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Click this restart. Alright, so that's it guys and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful and resolved Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.